This is a Rubik's Cube. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to solve it. Let's learn. First, choose a color to start with. Let's say white. So look for the white center square and place it in the top of the cube. And now we have to make the white cross. That means that these ones have to be white. So I'm searching for the middle cubes. This is a middle cube. I'm taking to the bottom of the cube. Then I have to match the blue with the blue center. And then I'll bring this one up here. I still need 3 to be solved. This is also a middle one. I have to take this one on the bottom of the cube, on the opposite side of the white. So I'm gonna move this one like this, move it to the bottom. And then I see that, unfortunately, this is already matched, but I could have matched it like this with the red and then bring it to its place. I have here the green one. The green is also matched with the green center. I'm bringing it into its place. So I have to find the last one. This is the last one. I'm moving it down. I'm moving away. So this one got down here, matching with the orange center. And this is how I've solved the white cross. Now I have to solve the edges. So searching for an edge. For example, this one. I have to bring this one in this row in order to be able to put it here. So I'm gonna turn, see, this is the cross. I'm gonna turn this, then this gets here into the back and move it away. And now I'm going to turn this back because I don't want to wreck the cross. And here it is. This white one goes in the corner of the red and the green, because this is green and this is red. So I have to move this white one in the corner between the red and green. So this one will go up here. Let me show you. Moving away, I'm preparing this one, moving back, and this one goes here. So it matches with the red center and of course with the red, and it matches also with the green. Now I still have to do this one. Of course, I'm taking this one out, like turning it here and turning it here, came out, moving it away, then rearranging this one. So I have it here, orange and green. So this one has to be orange and green. This will be this corner. So I'll put it there, put it in its place, and we are almost done. I still have this one. So I will move this one here, of course taking it out from under, moving it away. And I see that this one is the red and blue, so it will come here. It will be this corner. So moving it away, preparing it, set it up, and we are done with the first layer. And if you see, the first row is also done because it's matching the center color. So it's blue, this is red, this is green, and this is orange. Now I have to solve as the second step, the second layer. So we turn the cube upside down with the white layer on the bottom and the yellow layer on the upper side. We have to find the color pairs here which are not paired with yellow. So this is not good, for example, because this is orange paired with yellow. But this one is good because this is orange paired with green. So I'm looking at this color. This is orange and the middle color is orange. So I have to bring orange, this one, on the opposite side of its matching middle color. So orange, orange. I'm bringing the upper layer to the opposite side. Now I will check. This is the orange color and this is the green. So I'm turning the cube on the green side. And if the green is on the left, I use the right side algorithm. So right up, top to the right, right down. And then, as you observed, you're wrecking the white layer. So I have to rearrange the white layer. I'm going to take this away and put it back in its place. We're going to search further. I see here the blue and the red one. So what I have to do is to take the blue on the opposite side of the blue center. Now I see that there is the red. The red is on the right side of the red center. So I am going to use the left side algorithm. Left up, top to the left, left down. And as you see, we have to solve the white one again. It's easy. So I'm going to search further, and I see that there is a color pair, red and green. So I have to take the red on the opposite side, which is on the opposite side now. I see the green is on the right side of the green center, so I'm using the left side algorithm. And then, of course, I'm solving the white one again. So let me show you another situation when you don't have here material to work with. That means that every pair is one color with the yellow. So I'm going to search for what I want to bring up here. For example, this one, because this doesn't belong here. So it's easy to do. I'll bring it up. And I'll turn always the top layer to the right. Then put this white back to its place. And then I will solve this one again. And now you will see that the color which I had here came here. So now I can solve it. It's green, so I put it on the opposite side of the green. Its pair is red. The red is here, so I'm using the right side algorithm. Solve the white layer, of course. And as you see, the cube is in its right place. And this way, we have the last one. We have to put in its place the blue and the orange. So I see the orange is on the left side, so I'm using the right side algorithm, always the opposite side. And this way, if you see, we are ready with the second layer too. Now we have to solve the yellow one, the upper layer. And the first thing is to make the cross. But if this wouldn't be yellow, it would be the same thing to solve it. So what I have to do is turn just the upper layer in a position where the non-yellow square is on the right side. And then use the following algorithm. You will use the same algorithm for every little spot to make it. You have to use this algorithm, what I'm going to show you, 4 times for each square. Let me show you. Right, down, middle and bottom to the left, bottom to the right. And we're going to do this move 3 more times. Right, down, middle and bottom to the left, bottom to the right. Right, down, middle and bottom to the left, bottom to the right. Right, down, middle and bottom to the left, and bottom to the right. Now you see that here is a yellow one. We have wrecked the cube, but it's no problem. Just don't move the position of the cube in your hand. Turn only the upper layer in order that the non-yellow one to be on your right hand. And do the same algorithm again. Right, down, up, middle, and bottom to the left, bottom to the right. So we're going to do this one 3 more times. And look here. We've got now the yellow cross. And of course, our first and second layer are still in place. Now I have to solve the edges. For this one, I use another algorithm. It's easy. And we use always the same algorithm to solve the edges. We will just move the position of the cube. Let me show you how. So the algorithm is left up, top to the right, left down, top to the right, left up, top 2 times to the right. So I'm going to have the white one again, intact, and then left down. Now I see that I got one edge on its place. And this figure, it's the fish. The fish is always swimming to the right down. So it jumps always in the water. You have to remember this. What does this mean? If I get, for example, the fish in this position, then I always turn the cube to the right down position in order the fish to go right down. And I repeat the algorithm. Left up, top to the right, left down, top to the right, left up, top 2 times to the right, and left down. And now we have solved the upper layer. So I'm going to show you another situation when we've got the cross and we can get another form than the fish. We use the same algorithm, and if we get this form, this is called the tank. And the cannon you have to hold always in your direction. And then we do the same algorithm as we did with the fish. So we do the same algorithm, of course. We get a fish. The fish is swimming always down to the right. So we're going to do the same algorithm until we solve the yellow layer. We take the fish to swim always down to the right. And this time we're gonna solve the yellow layer. The only thing what left is to solve the last layer. I have to match the middle ones with the middle cube of each color. So red with red, blue with blue, green with green, and yellow with yellow. So this time the blue and the red matches. So the side which is matching, I'm gonna hold like this. The one matching side on the right and the other one in the back. And I'm gonna use the following algorithm. Right up, top to the right, left up, top to the left, left down, top to the right, and left down. So now I see that the yellow is not really good, but I'm going to use the algorithm which we've used to solve the fish. So left up, top to the right, left down, top to the right, left up, top 2 times to the right, and left down. So this is now it's in place. Orange is matching orange, green is matching green, red is matching red, and blue is matching blue. But none of the edges are matching. So I have to change the edges. For this, I'm going to use another algorithm. And this is the last algorithm. Actually, there are 2 algorithms, a right side one, and it's mirror the left side one. So we hold the cube with the yellow side towards us, and we do like right up 2 times, top to the right 2 times, right up 1 time, bottom to the right, right down, top 2 times to the right, right up, and then bottom to the left. And now you see, if you turn back the white, that one of the edges is already matching. Then you have to search for 3 different colors. These are 3 different colors and 1 pair on the edges. This is the same color on the edges. And you have to hold the cube with the 3 different colors on the opposite side. If the pair is on the right side, you will use the right side algorithm. There is a left side algorithm too. I will show you in a moment. So the right side algorithm is like 2 times up, top 2 times to right, right 1 time up, bottom 1 time to the right, right 1 time down, top 2 times to the right, right 1 time up, and bottom 1 time to the left. And if you turn this up, then you will see the cube is solved. So I've created another situation when the pair is on the left side. And of course, the 3 different colors will face this side. So we're going to use the left side algorithm. So if the pair is on the left, we use the left side algorithm. 2 times up, top 2 times to the left, left 1 time up, bottom 1 time to the left, left 1 time down, top 2 times to the left, left 1 time up, bottom 1 time to the right, and then the cube is solved.